welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we are gonna be talking all about ways to refresh your home, get your space feeling like new from Amazon. So I'm gonna walk you all through my favorite Amazon home decor pieces, basically all things home, but Amazon style. I found some really amazing pieces at great price points that I know you all are going to love. And this video is actually perfect because it is right on time for Amazon Prime Day. Yes, you guys, it is that time of year again. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's like the second most wonderful time of the year. Amazon Prime Day is here. And I really want to thank our sponsors for today's video, Lysol, Airwick, and Finish. You guys, I am an avid lover of all of their products. Their products are bomb. I know you have used them before. If you have not used Lysol, if you have not used Airwick, if you have not used Finish, I don't know where you have been. They are like top tier, at least in my book. So you all know by now, I love my Airwick plug-in oil warmer. You guys, the scents of these oils are seriously amazing. It makes your whole space smell so good. This is honestly like my first tip to kind of refresh your house. There's just something about these scents that put me in a good mood, and I just feel good when my space smells good. I don't know if anyone else can relate to that. It's nice because the oil warmer releases the fragrance up and outward, so it honestly fills every corner of your space without breathing in any harsh aromas or ingredients. None of that nonsense around here. I love that the refills release continuous fragrance for up to 60 days if set on the low setting, which means I'm able to just plug it in and not think about it. I know my home is gonna smell amazing. Okay, and the second product that is gonna have an amazing deal come Amazon Prime Day is the Lysol Handy Pack Disinfecting Wipes. You guys, these wipes are a game changer. I really rely on these to get my surfaces nice and clean. They kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. You just can't be too careful, so I'm constantly wiping down door handles, surfaces, pretty much any and everything that I can with these wipes, I wipe. I love that they're safe to use on devices like tablets, your phones, electronics, things like that, especially because we are constantly on our phones. So easy to use with the one-hand dispensing so that you're able to save space and take them with you on the go. You know that Lysol has got your back, you're protected against those nasty germs. Okay, and the third and final product I want to talk about for Amazon Prime Day is the Finish In-Wash Dishwasher Cleaner. You guys, this is a game changer. We use these tablets all the time. You can put them in your dishwasher while your dishes are in there to clean your dishwasher. So it's really important to not only use Finish products to clean your dishes, because hello, but also your dishwasher needs to be clean too. I know personally, we wash dishes multiple times a day, and even though we just purchased our home, it's a brand new dishwasher, I want to keep the longevity. I want to keep it as clean as possible so that in turn my dishes can be as clean as possible. The last thing you want is for mold and mildew to collect in your dishwasher, so that's why it's critical for us to use these pods. We put them at the bottom of our dishwasher, let the cycle run as normal, and our dishwasher remains clean and we don't even have to think about it. It really gets those hard to reach places. Every little nook and cranny is gonna be clean. This is definitely a no-brainer. I love that I can put the pods in while I run my regular cycle. I don't have to do anything extra. Just pop the pod at the bottom, let it run, and my dishwasher is clean. So yeah, you guys, I will have all the information about Amazon Prime Day listed down below in the description box. You can save 25% off on select Airwick, Lysol, and Finish products, but everything will be in the description like I just said. So yeah, thank you so much to Airwick, Lysol, and Finish for sponsoring today's video. With all of that being said, if you want to see my top picks from Amazon as far as home decor, home accessories, some furniture, some must-haves, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I am so excited about this. I love me some Amazon, so let's get into it. The first thing I want to start with are faux plants, fake flowers, that sort of thing. Okay, so the first thing that I picked out is this baby's breath. I don't own any baby's breath, but I think it looks beautiful in bathrooms. I feel like if you have a guest bathroom or maybe even your master bathroom and you kind of feel like you're missing something in there, it looks kind of just unfinished, you know what I mean? I think adding some baby's breath grass would be really, really pretty. It's not as bold of a statement as like a pampas grass or even roses or like different colored flowers. This is just something really, really soft, and I feel like it fits a bathroom well. It sounds kind of weird saying that, but I feel like it kind of fits the bathroom, especially if you want it to be like relaxing. You have your bathtub in there. You want it to kind of be like a spa experience. I just feel like Baby's Breath fits that perfectly. Okay, you guys, and you're gonna notice that a lot of the things are kind of dupes for CB2 Restoration Hardware, but also refreshing your home. It's just a culmination of things. So basically, I saw this pampas grass. Speaking of pampas grass, if you want pampas grass very similar to the ones that I have in my glam room upstairs, this honestly looks just like CB2. They come 42 to 46 inches and it comes in a set of 5 stems. I feel like this is a really great option. I love how tall it is. Okay, and going along with flower pick, faux flowers, faux plants, you have to have some vases, right? You gotta have a vase. This vase right here, it's actually a 2-pack. I love how abstract they are. Even in the picture, you can see that they have, it looks like pampas grass in it, and I really, really love the shape. I love how it's abstract. I feel like this would be beautiful on a mantle, on a media console, honestly, even like a centerpiece situation on a table, in a cabinet. You could decorate this and style this so many different ways. I just love how they're both very, very different but similar. They're white. You know my color palette by now, and I mean, I'm in it. Like, I really like this. Don't be surprised if you see this in the next haul. Okay, next up, pillow covers. I found so many different pillow covers on Amazon that I loved. So these pillow covers, I have bought them. I want to say like I bought 2 different colors. I have green for Christmas. I wanted a theme, so I got green. And then I also have purchased the cream color. They're awesome. They're velvet. I think they're beautiful. Really great, affordable option. Okay, the next pillow covers are these faux leather ones. I think these are beautiful. I love this cognac color. This is like a perfect color to add into your space. If you are struggling with your space looking very flat, maybe you have a lot of white, maybe you have a lot of gray, and it's just not giving what it needs to give, highly recommend adding in some cognac, some like browns to really make your space pop, and I feel like these pillows would be the perfect addition. Okay, and then I saw one more pillow cover that I couldn't pass up. I love this one so much. It's got the white, it's got the cognac. This is 1000% something that I would buy and have in my space if I was shopping for someone else. Sometimes I feel like in these videos I am, like I'm shopping for you. I would buy this for you. I would have this in your house. I think this is beautiful. I think this is really, really pretty and different. I'm obsessed with these. Okay, next up is some outdoor furniture. I love this. I think this is so pretty. I'm not obsessed with the little table, like the glass. What do you even call that type of glass? That's like not mercury glass. You know what I'm talking about though. I mean, obviously you can see it, like that type of glass I'm not the biggest fan of, but I can look past that because this set is so pretty. I love the couch. It comes in black as well. Okay, next up, wine glasses. You all know I have been on a wine glass kick. I have been getting a ton from CB2 as of lately, and my favorite style is when the wine glass, like the bottom of it kind of curves. It almost like goes down straight and then it curves. I have some from IKEA, but I found these on Amazon. It is a set of 4, and I just love how like rectangular they look, and I just think this is really, really pretty, really, really trendy. This is definitely like an in style type of wine glass. I think this is beautiful, but I also really like this one. It has a little bit more of a curve. This one to me is an exact dupe for the CB2 wine glasses that I have. Okay, next up are these 2 ceramic vases. You guys, I think these are beautiful. I love how, again, abstract they are. I love the shape. It's very, very different. These could stand alone on like a mantle, a media console, honestly, anywhere, a cabinet. I really, really like these. I like that it's black and white, obviously, but you can, of course, add like kind of like a brown stem, like a pampas grass, something very, very simple would be beautiful in these. Okay, next up, more vases. I feel like these are just so cool. Like if I saw this in a house, I would be like, wow, those are cool vases. Like I think they're just very, very unique. They kind of reminded me of the Hilton Carter line at Target with all of the plants, and he has, would you say these are like chemistry, like beakers? Is that what they're called? Like, you know, in chemistry class and you have those like beakers? I'm pretty sure that's what this is, but I just love how this flower arrangement is set up. I think this is beautiful. Okay, next up, rugs. Finding a good rug, finding a good quality rug is such a struggle. I really, really like this one. I thought this one was really, really cool. It kind of has like a geometric print on it. It's kind of like a layered effect, I would say. I feel like this would fit perfectly in a bedroom. Maybe if you're starting to notice, because I'm starting to notice this with my own space, that our room is starting to feel very, very formal. Our bedroom is feeling formal. I feel like adding a rug like this that's a little bit more casual, it has tassels, it has texture, something a little bit more fun into the space can really make a huge difference. But I also have this one. This to me, I would put in a living room. Like if you have a white couch and then adding this sort of jute rug, I think would look awesome. I love the texture on this. I love like the little fringes on the side. Okay, and then this next rug, again, new loom. All three of these are new loom. I think I'm saying that right. But this one is very, very simple. So again, it kind of has that texture, but it's not like a jute rug. It's more of like a knit type of material. This, when I first looked at it, I thought, oh, this would be perfect in like a nursery, you know, somewhere if you're gonna have kids like laying on it, crawling on it, because it's softer. But I think this is beautiful. Okay, guys, next up is some wall art. I found the best store for wall art. Okay, first of all, you have to realize that it is just it's a print. It's just a print. It's not gonna come framed. You can put them in a frame. Obviously, if you wanna buy a frame, you can go to Home Goods, you could go to Target, you could even go to like Goodwill, something like that, but it's just gonna be the print, and you can get creative with how you wanna hang this. I've seen people do like clipboards like on their wall, and I think that looks really, really cool. But honestly, all of the different designs are amazing. I love them. I love the tones. It's black, it's cream, it's white, it's beige. Like, I'm in it. There's gray as well. I think this is so beautiful. You could honestly pick out like 6 different designs, order them, get some frames, put them up, and it's gonna look so luxurious. So yeah, you guys, those are some of the different options that I think will really refresh your space. Now I wanna move on and talk about things that I actually own that I feel like makes such a huge difference. It makes such a huge impact in my space. So the first thing is actually in the workout room. It is our weight rack and our yoga mat rack. I feel like these things instantly made the space feel bigger, because before we just kind of had stuff all over the floor, and having it nice and organized, it just makes me want to go in there and work out. I just feel like, I don't know, I instantly like walk in there and feel fit. I don't know if that makes sense, but I feel like, okay, like I got this, like I'm about to kill this workout. So I really, really love these two weight racks and the yoga rack. Okay, and the next items that definitely refresh the space, I feel like this is a no-brainer, but it's candles, and specifically these candlesticks. So I absolutely love these. They're gold. They come in 3 different sizes. You all know I'm constantly preaching about styling in 3s and in 3 varying heights. So these definitely check off all of those boxes. Okay, next up is this gold and marble tray. I really, really, really like this. Obviously, I mean, I have it in my house. I have this in the kitchen. You could put fresh flowers on this to freshen up your space a little bit. And then next to the flowers, you could have like hand soap and hand lotion. I think that would be really, really cute. You could put this in a bathroom, like in between like the 2 sinks. That would be nice as well. But we just keep ours in the kitchen. We usually have like either flowers or a candle on this. Okay, and the last Amazon item that I feel like makes such a huge difference, it definitely brought my space to life, is puck lights. You guys, I swear by these puck lights. I have them in my sconces, but I mean, honestly, you could put them in a cabinet if you want to light up the cabinet, but I just highly recommend the sconces. My sconces in the playroom are actually from Amazon as well, so this is kind of like a 2-in-1. I just feel like it makes such an impact. Lighting is everything to me. You hear me talking about this all the time. Adding the puck lights into the sconces, it just sets the mood. It just sets the tone. Like, it just feels so much more luxurious, so much more, I don't know, it's just overall aesthetic and pleasing to the eye when you have just like little lights shining down. Very romantic, but also very refreshing. It just feels good. It's just a good feeling, good vibes all around, and I love it. Okay, you guys, so those are my Amazon home decor, all things home items. I will have everything linked in the description box like always. But again, I want to thank Lysol, Airwick, and Finish for sponsoring today's video. Definitely go and check out the link in the description to learn more about Amazon Prime Day, what products you can get 25% off. Definitely check that out. Now's the time. It's that time of year again. So yeah, you guys, let me know if you want me to film more videos like this that I can pretty much shop for you guys. I turn into like your little personal shopper, pick out things from different stores. If you didn't already see my Target video just like this, I did this pretty much the same exact thing but for Target. You can click up in the cards, I'll have it linked. But yeah, with all of that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and all my Amazon products, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.